So let's look at part 2. The area enclosed by C, N, and the x-axis. So C is this curve here, and the N and the x-axis here, right? So very clearly what we want is this area here. Now this looks like a very small graph. So let me just move on with, I just copied the graph from the, what do you call it? From the GC. So there goes, this y equals to 60 minus 1. So what we now need now is actually, this is a tangent. Of course, this is not the line which we are interested in. We want this normal. Here, of course, we have the x-axis here. All right. And the thing now is we know that this point we are given is actually 14, 11. So it's very good to just put t equals to 2 here. This is parameter. The parameter you're looking at is t equals to 2. And the graph is this, and this, right? And also the x-axis here. So what we're going to do is actually just find the area here, this triangle. We're going to add with this part, right? The area under this square plus this triangle. So I think that's the first thing you must be able to tell. Then the line here shouldn't be a problem. We already found this line here. This is line N, right? This is line N. Where the equation here is actually just N. Equation here is just, what do you call it? This line N here. The equation is just 2x plus y equals to 39. So this is 14. So this part here, to find this shouldn't be too big of a problem. What we need is actually when y is 0, x is just 39 over 2. So this is 39 over 2. Now what is the problem is actually this point here. This we want to find this to find it quickly. This is y equals 0, right? And the parametric form is 6t minus, so 6t minus 1 equals 0. And this will give you t equals to a 6. Actually, what you need is just t equals 1 over 6 here, which is the point which the point there which you need. But if you want to find the x out as well, it's fine, but it's quite redundant actually. So this will be 3 over 36 plus 2, I believe. It's 25, 12. So this is 25 over 12 for the x-axis here. Okay. So you just let y 0 because it's the axis. Okay, so this is where it's 25, 12. So to write this formula, the required area, okay, what we need is this graph here, this half, sort of like a half a potato plus this triangle here. Okay, then we're gonna start off with integrating from 25 over 12, and it ends at 14 is y dx, plus it'll be half times base. The base here would be 39 minus 2 minus 14. So this is 39 minus 2, 39 over 2 minus 14. And the height would be 11, right? The height here is 11 units. So I'm going to just write this down. This is actually 11 units. All right. So the area of triangle is not an issue. Half times base times height. But what we need now is to change this to in the parametric form, which we have y is 60. So dx dt is actually 60 as well. So just remember dx is actually 60 dt. So this case here would be y is actually 60 minus 1. dx dt would just be 60 dt. Right? Now, take note, this is where a lot of students get confused. This is x equals to 14. When you change to dt, just remember to change the boundary. A lot of times students, I can foresee that a lot of students forget to write the corresponding t here. This, when x is 25 over 12, the parameter is 1 over 6. And when x is 14, the parameter is 2. So this is t equals to 2 here. So what we're going to do is actually just expand this out. So this will be 6. I'm going to just bring this to below. dt. I took the t out, and this will just be 29 over 2 minus 14 times 11 over 2. That will be 121 over 4. And this will give us plus 121 over 4. This will be 6 t cubed over 3. So this is 2 minus t squared over 2. Okay, so I'm going to teach you a little trick to use your calculator to replace this value. So many students don't really know this. So what you do is just put 2t cubed. Okay, we just 2t cubed. Okay, and after which we're going to put as minus t squared. So alpha. I'm going to use t as my my x, and 2. Okay, so now I'm going to put the value of 2 in. So what I'm going to do is actually just press 2 storage x. Okay, that will be 2. Go up, and this will be 14. So this will be 6. 14. The other is a 6 x, and then this will be negative 216. I hope this is the answer. Just key in calculator, should be able to get answer there. There you go. So this would be 2057 over 18 units, square units. Alright, so I do this question here proficiently. Let's look at part 3.